my friends. How is everyone today? Happy Monday. Did you look outside today? Is it sunny out? No. Is it raining out? No. Is it snowing out? No, but it was snowing over the weekend, right? It's just cloudy, right? It's cloudy out today and it's kind of cold. But how is everyone today? Did everyone have a nice weekend? I hope so. Hi Mia, hi Emerson, hi Leona, hi Elias, hi Matthew, hi Carter, hi Bella, hi Irene, hi Joey, and hi Frederick. How is everyone? Okay, let's start off the day with a fun song, right? A good morning song. Ready? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Well, hopefully it's going to be a beautiful day, right? It's not afternoon yet. It's still morning, right? And it's Monday. How are you today? I hope you're good today, right? I hope everyone woke up. Stretch your arms really tall, right? Stretch your arms to the side, right? Wake up, because it's time to wake up. Alright, stretch in front, twiddle your fingers, touch your head, touch your shoulders, touch your knees, wave your hands, put your arm up, put your other arm up, give yourselves a big hug and say good morning myself, right? Good morning everyone. And how is everyone today? I hope we're all good today, right? I found a really cool book inside my bookshelf that you are going to love. It is Pete the Cat. But it's not just Pete the Cat. It's Pete the Cat and Wheels on the Bus. Ready? Pete the Cat and the Wheels on the Bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round. They go round and round all through the town. Look at that silly cat. He's driving the bus. The horn on the bus, what does a horn do? It goes beep, 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 right? The horn on the bus, it goes beep, beep, beep all through the town. The wipers on the bus, what do the wipers do? The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 and that does that all through the town. It goes swish, 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 right? And the signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town, right? And the motor on the bus, what does that do? It goes vroom, 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 right? And the motor on the bus goes vroom, vroom, vroom all day long. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, and open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut all day long. It's got to go open and shut so it will pick everyone up, right? To go to school. The kiddies on the bus say, come on, Pete. Come on, Pete. Come on, Pete. The kiddies on the bus say, come on, Pete, all day long. The driver on the bus, what do you think he says? He says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says, move on back all day long. He wants everyone to sit in the back of the bus, right? friends on the bus say, sit with us, sit with us, sit with us, sit with us, right? Oh, see the doggy just got on the bus. And all Pete's friends are saying, come sit with us. They're sharing, right? The back of the bus goes bump, 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 up and down, up and down, up and down. The back of the bus goes up and down all day long. The kitties on the bus go Pete the cat, Pete the cat, Pete the cat. The kitties on the bus go Pete the cat all day long. The dog on the bus goes, what does the dog say? Woof, 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 all day long, right? The cats on the bus shout, let's rock out, let's rock out. The cats on the bus say, let's rock out. Look, he's got a guitar on top of the bus, see? Silly cats. Cats don't play guitars, right? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Look. See, the bus is driving. Pete the cat is driving. Very good. That was a fun little story, right? So today for my show and tell, I have a big surprise for you. I want you to meet somebody. I want you to meet my daughter's fish. Oh, let's see if we can get him here without spilling him out. I want you to meet Phina. And it's short for Finster. You see the little fishy in there? He's swimming around. I want you to see him. All right, there he is. What color is that fish? It is black. I think it was breakfast. He's trying to find his food, right? But there he is. Do you see him? Pretty cool. Okay, say bye, Phina. Say see you later. But that was Phina. That was my show and tell for the day. So, let's count some numbers, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Can you do it with me next time? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers do I have up? 5. Good job. I heard you guys. You did really good. All right, you guys have a good morning. Have fun playing and doing whatever you do. I will see you at nap time, okay? Have fun.